This is how babies used to fly in airplanes in 1930s. These are the rejected designs of Eiffel Tower. When Elon Musk was in college, he turned his house into a nightclub to pay the rent. The actual blood vessels of a person who donated their body to science. Before alarm clocks were affordable, there were professional knocker-uppers to wake people up for work. An elevator parking lot in New York in 1920, a space-saving solution. This drawing was done by a mentally disturbed patient in a mental hospital. The autopsy revealed that Michael Jackson was partially bald and his lips, eyebrows and scalp were tattooed. Princess Khazar, a symbol of beauty and smartness in Persia, 13 young men killed themselves because she rejected them. Every year, Walt Disney World Lost and Found collects more than 6,000 cell phones, 3,500 digital cameras and 18,000 hats. Charlie Chaplin won anonymously entered a Charlie Chaplin looks alike contest and came third. Super Mario wears a hat because his creator Shigeru Miyamoto could not draw hair. The Sedlec Ossuary Church of Bones is a small Roman Catholic chapel in Czech Republic. It uses 40,000 to 70,000 human skeleton as decoration. A Hughes vault in Atlanta kept the secret formula of Coca-Cola. Louis XIV was the king of France for just 20 minutes. Once Stephen Hawking hosted a party for time travelers, but no one came. The world's most expensive cheese is made from donkey's milk. There is a fungi known as dead people's fingers. The cast of Friends still earn around $20 million each year. This man won $1.5 million in lottery, and to collect prize money he wore a mask so his relatives and friends would not ask him for money. The microwave was invented after a researcher walked by a radar tube and the chocolate bar in his pocket melted. Scientists finally concluded that chicken came first, not the eggs, because the protein which makes the egg cell is only produced by hens. This is how Mercedes-Benz advertised to show their strong headlight powers. This sculpture by Isaac Cordell in Berlin is called Politician Discussing Global Warming. Apple's first company logo featured a drawing of Isaac Newton under an apple tree. Judge break the nib of their pen after passing a death sentence because the pen which signed the person's life away will never be used to do that ever again. A mother listening to her dead son's heartbeat inside the girl his heart was donated to. In 2013, a dad in China hired gamers to kill his son in video games so that son would start looking for a job and get a life. This jar with more than 40,000 coins buried during the medieval period in Japan. The Statue of Liberty is estimated to be hit by about 600 bolts of lightning every year. During World War II, when Hitler visited Paris, the French cut the lift cables on the Eiffel Tower so that Hitler would have to climb the steps if he wanted to reach the top. The dog comes here every day and helps kindergarten kids safely cross the street. Fine of Euro 750 will be charged from men who whistle or make vulgar comments at women in France. Extreme ironing is an extreme sport in which people take ironing boards to remote location and iron their clothes. The Statue of Liberty walks over a broken chain, half hidden by her robes and difficult to see from the ground. They represent freedom. Originally, the design for the first iPhone was literally the shape of an apple. The iPhone, the Harry Potter books and the Rubik's Cube are the top 3 most sold products in human history. An educator named Horace Mann invented summer vacation in 1837. Hugo Gunsberg demonstrating his invention television goggles in 1963. These rings are made up of dinosaur bone, meteorite and gold, one of the rarest form of ring. In Finland, when someone earns their PhD, they are given a top hat and a sword. A woman donated her kidney to save the life of her boss, who then fired her when she took too long to recover from operation. World Speed Reading Champion Anne Jones read all 607 pages of last Harry Potter book in just 47 minutes. A man locked his head in a cage in an attempt to quit smoking. His wife has the key and only open him for meals. The creator of Adidas and Puma were brothers. Drug lord Pablo Escobar had so much cash that rat ate almost $1 billion of his money each year. This is Willis Carrier, the man who invented the air conditioner. Let's take a moment to thank him. In 1866, the United States purchased Alaska from Russia for $7.2 million by writing a check. An insane view of Milky Way from the edge of New Zealand. Ratan Tata is a trained pilot and holds a license. In fact, he was the first civilian to fly F-16 Falcon. The fossil of 4 ancient armadillos the size of cars have been discovered by a farmer in Argentina. In China, teachers allow children to sleep in class for 20 minutes to learn better. Pluto has a heart shape on its surface. The winner of the first modern Olympic marathon stopped at a tavern mid-race for a glass of wine. In 2018, Snapchat lost $1.3 billion in stock after Kylie Jenner tweeted against its new updates. Canada and Denmark have been fighting over an uninhabited island by leaving each other bottles of alcohol and changing their flags. A 20-second hug can release oxytocin hormones which help you feel good and can increase your trust in the person you are hugging. Chanel store in Amsterdam was built with beautiful glass blocks that are stronger than concrete. It is not snow, it is just spider season in Australia. A Russian businessman who earns more than $20 million per year has become a delivery boy after getting bored of staying indoors. He earned around $15 per day. Qatar is the only country whose roads are blue. Tom and Jerry won 7 Academy Awards for animated short film. When Daniel Radcliffe first heard Justin Bieber singing, he believed it was a woman rather than a young boy. Lobsters used to be so cheap that they were frequently used to feed prisoners. In Japan, Burger King has an all-black burger. Anne Hathaway's husband looks very similar to William Shakespeare, and Shakespeare's wife's name was literally Anne Hathaway. Picture taken in a hospital in Taiwan. A son feeds his mother the way she fed him when he was a child. Starbucks in Al Sif, Dubai. In Russia, there is a statue of mouse knitting DNA honoring their contribution to science. During the Black Death, incoming ships were forced to wait for 40 days to prevent possible infection. The Italian word for 40 quaranta is where we get the word quarantine. The police force in Dubai spent more on each of their supercars than it cost to send a child to college in the USA. There is a restaurant in New York that does not employ professional chefs. Instead, every day a grandmother from a different country designs a menu that honors her native cuisine. This is what a sunrise during a solar eclipse looks like. A 390-year-old bonsai tree survived the bombing of Hiroshima. Later, the tree was gifted to the US and it still lives in Washington, D.C.